Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter number 7, linear equation. Now everyone is know about what are variables. So we are going to learn the equations now, which is in one variable. We have studied the different variables. So there can be more variable, but we have to study in this standard only for one variable. That is a word equation. So let's start today's class. First of all, what is equation? Equation means it's a statement of equality. The equal word is hidden. It means equal sign, which contains one or more variables, and there can be one or more variable in a simple equation, but we are learning for one variable, so definitely there will be one variable. Now, like I am writing a statement 3x equals to 5. So this is the equation because there is the equality sign. But if I write 3x less than 5 or 3x greater than 5, then these are not the equation because equality sign is not there. So equation is a statement in which we use equality sign and there can be one or more variable. Now out of the equation there can be linear equation, quadratic equation. As you will grow up you will study about that. What is linear equation? So first we are going to learn what is the meaning of linear. We have studied the different types of expressions based on the terms, like one term monomial, two term binomial, three term trinomial and more. In the same way, on the basis of power, if the variable has one power, it is called linear. And if the variable has power 2, it is called quadratic. Like if there is a variable x and its power is 1, so we called it as linear because its highest power is 1. And if x is power 2, it is known as quadratic. Okay? And if the power is 3, it is known as cubic. So in this chapter we will study about if the power is 1 only for the variable, that is linear. So what I have written here, an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. If you see each and every question of your this chapter, you will not see any of the variable having the power rather than 1. It is only 1, like you will get x, y, z. You will never get as x square, x, y cube or anything else. So equation in which the power is 1, highest power. And please have a look the power of variable. That is called the linear equation. Now what is the solution of the equation? Solution means the value of the variable. After solving, whatever answer you will get of the variable, that will be the solution, and it is also known as root, which makes the equation a true statement. What is the meaning of it? Let's try to understand. Like if I am giving 3x equals to 5. So to which number I have to multiply, because there is a sign in between multiply. By which number I have to multiply 3. So I know I have to multiply 3 by 5. Sorry, I had given the question again. 3x equals to 15. So by which number I have to multiply x? 5. So that it becomes 15. It means the value of the variable, the value of the x. Can you compare what is the value of x? 5. Because when I put 5 on the place of x, then only its value will be 15, which is equal to RHS. So LHS become equal to RHS. 3 5s are 15 equals to 15. So this value makes my statement a true statement. That yes, LHS is equals to RHS. So we can say that the value of the variable which makes the LHS is equals to RHS is known as solution or root. Now there is another topic, that is transposition. Actually it's a method which we use to solve the equations. So in this process, what we have to do, you have to transpose the term. You have to transfer the term from one side to other, and when you shift it to other side, its sign will change. How its sign will change? Like if you are having plus, it become minus. If you have minus, it become plus. Multiply becomes divide, and divide becomes multiply. It means opposite side you will get. Whenever you are transferred any number from LHS to RHS part, okay, or RHS to LHS, from one side to another. So let's solve one example. Like this is one of the example. I need to solve this equation. Children, whenever you are solving any of the question, first try to write all the like terms together. Now I know I want to find the value of x in this. Solving means we need to find the value of x. So what we have to do, I can use the method of transpose. So I can do one thing, 4x I have to take here and minus 6 will be goes there. So in this way the x term will be written together. 5x will be here and this is plus 4x, so it will become minus 4x. Because there is the sign plus, so it become minus. As I told, when you change the position, please remember to change the sign. This is already here minus 2 and this negative 6 will become positive 6. Now 5 minus 4 is 1x. You know how to subtract or add. This we have learned in chapter number 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. So the value of x is 4. You can check your answer. This makes the statement true. Checking we have avoid, but for your confirmation you can check your answer. So I got the answer as x equals to 4. Now if I put it back in this question, let's see the answer will be same or not. This is my question, 5x minus 6 equals to 4x minus 2. I have to put on the place of x 4. So 5 into 4, because I replace x with 4, minus 6. 4 into 4 minus 2. 5 4s are 20 minus 6, and this side 4 4s are 16 minus 2. So 20 minus 6 is 14 and 16 minus 2 is also 14. And we know 14 is equals to 14, so it makes this statement true. LHS is equals to RHS. You'll always get LHS is equals to RHS. It's not like that you will not get B equal, because we know solution is that value of the variable which make the statement true. So this is the check.